Stone cutting machines have a rigid self-propelled frame that in most models moves along tracks. Leather tools need to be precise and sharp to clean cuts. These tanks contain a caustic hot water solution that can strip most paint from various surfaces. Plastic covers are used to keep a burger shape. Shielding with non-UVC is an exclusive fabric protection system developed by CleanU. Power rotary scissors are the perfect tool for trimming completely straight edges. The patio cleaner wire brush is ideal for clearing weeds, grass, and moss between pavers. This folding bucket doesn't take up much space and can fully replace a metal one. A tenon tool is perfect for large projects with lots of mortise and tenon joints. A road marking machine is a device to delineate diverse traffic lines on concrete surfaces. This is how the body of a spoon is shaped. There are over 9,000 variations of blue active on the commercial market. The lines vary from classic to unusual tones. Performing fuel injector tests to ensure each injector is consistent with the others and up to spec. Steam cleaning is a unique technology for removing complex contaminants from equipment surfaces. Steam cleaning reduces water consumption dozens of times more than a pressure washer. Machines might be a bit slower, but deliver a constant, perfect job. The foundation of a building is essential to get a stable structure. Deep holes are dug for the concrete structure that will hold the building. Roto shovel is a handheld automatic shovel to plant flowers, vegetables, and small shrubs. From paint storage to mixing to application, every aspect of the painting process needs care and detail. On cabbage crops, a mulch is placed on top to retain humidity and heat to accelerate the seeding and growing process. This is a waterproof, self-adhesive vinyl floor tile that's great for kitchen or bathroom. Water jet cutting is simply an accelerated erosion process with a selected material. Highly pressurized water is fired through a ruby or a diamond nozzle into a mixing chamber. Mussels grown on wooden poles are harvested by using a hydraulic-powered system. 2-inch beveler helps make the corners look smooth and even, and it's easy to use. This wheel is stripped to prepare it for a new coating. Quilt rolling machines extract all the air from a quilt by rolling it tightly. To make a suitcase, a hard sheet of plastic is heated up and air is blown up under it. The benefits of CNC milling include its ability to cut a wide range of materials. Old cast iron can be sanded to remove upper coats of damaged material or paint, varnish, and other coatings. With the help of sand and a special liquid, any crack or pothole in asphalt or concrete can be repaired. This is a deep vibrator for concrete. Vibration compaction of concrete is the most efficient method for achieving perfect concrete mix. To clean this tire, a hot gun partially melts the damaged surface to remove the material. Here, you can see the adhesive being applied to seam together two pieces of turf. A lathe makes painting a round object a lot quicker and more comfortable. This type of mechanism makes your kitchen look cleaner and gives you more space. A new adhesive for rubber products that sticks not only firmly but also quickly.